This 2009 Holiday Rambler Neptune 37 PBQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Holiday Rambler is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Topaz, Newport Cherry II Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, DVD player, slideout, external shower, self-contained, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, awning, refrigerator, and 95 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2009 Holiday Rambler Neptune 37 PBQ is built on a Roadmaster chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.